In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your Quora profile link. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to tap on my profile icon there at the top left-hand corner. That will bring you up a menu with some options. Just tap on your name underneath your profile icon. That will take you to your profile. And now you see next to where it says edit profile underneath your bio is this little share button on the right-hand side. Tap on that, and then you just want to tap on copy link. So I'm going to do that, and now you can see it says the link has been copied. You can go into Facebook, Instagram, paste that link into there and send people your Quora link. Now when it comes to the desktop version of Quora, all you would need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right, tap on your name, and then you'll just copy the link that's in the address bar as your profile link, and then you can send that to people. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.